Oh, change. You look ugly.
I look ugly?
Yes, you look ugly.
This guy called his girlfriend ugly in front of his kid to see his reaction. But the little kid's reaction will leave you speechless. Comment down below. Is he wrong for this?
Why would you say that to me?
What's wrong with you?
He just called me ugly.
Cause you are ugly.
No, you're not.
Mommy's ugly, right?
No.
Yes, she is.
No, she's not.
Who do you think you are slapping me? Mommy's ugly.
No.
Why are you looking over there? I'm right here.
No.
I'm a little ugly.
What?
I'm a little ugly right now. Can I like do your hair?
I just did my hair.
I don't know, redo it because you look.
No, you don't.